Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Christmas video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a cartoon stocking. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon stocking, we're going to begin with the top. So I'm going to begin right up here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to come right across here. You can see it's kind of curved. Next, we're going to bring a line down on each side. Then I'm going to curve another line right across here for the top of the stocking. For the opening, I'm going to make a small hook shape. I'm going to come around, and then I'm going to bring it over like this. Next, we'll make a long line that comes down here, and then another long line that's going to come right down here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come around, it's going to curve up, and then we're going to connect it here with a curve too. Right here, I'm going to make a small curve. And then right here, I'm going to make another curve. And then up here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up and down with a small curve in it, just to show where you can hang the stocking. Now, inside of here, I'm going to make a small face. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. I'll leave some space, and then I'll make another circle for an eye right here. I'm going to put a black dot inside each one. I'll make a smile. And then a line's going to come down and up. Then I'll make a little curve here. And I'll just color in the top here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon Christmas stocking. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.